Hello, I'm Cheryl Allred, and this is an unboxing of the Smok Micro 1 R80 TC Starter Kit. And on the front it says Smok and Micro 1, and on the side it says Micro 1 Starter Kit. And on the back, what comes with inside the box is the R80 TC box mod 80 watts, the micro TFB4 tank, the 0.3 micro fuse Clapton dual core, the 0.25 micro stainless steel dual core, one replacement extra large glass tube, one tank extension adapter, one black Smok vape band, one USB charging upgrading cable, one user manual, and spare parts. And here's the introduction, if you want to pause your video. And here's the box, the Smok box, and you open it up, and here's your R80 TC box mod, and I'm going to set that aside for a minute. And inside your box you get a quality control pass, and this is also your warranty. And then you get it shows you how to verify your product to make sure it's real. And here's your Micro 1 direction booklet, instruction booklet, and you get a black Smok vape band, and inside the tank is a 0.3 Clapton core, and you also get this 0.25 stainless steel dual core inside the box, the kit, the starter kit. And here's your upgrading and charging cable. And inside the R80 TC box mod is a 4,000 milliamp battery. And here's your little package. Inside it comes extra seals and O-rings, and also your tank extension adapters in there, but I took it out because I want to show you how to take apart and put together your tank so you have the bigger tank. And I'm going to set this down for a minute so I can show you with two hands. And here's your TFB4. Hold on just a second. Here's your TFB4 tank that comes with the R80 TC starter kit. And inside you can see that glass inside. It has a glass mouthpiece surrounded by a metal mouthpiece so you don't burn your mouth. And it has air holes at the top that you can adjust closed or open, and air holes at the bottom that you can adjust closed or open. But I'm going to show you how to take apart and put together your tank so it makes the bigger tank with the tank that comes with the H-Priv, because it's the same tank except for a different mouthpiece. But I've got liquid in the other tank, so I don't want to take it apart. So you unscrew it, and you pop off your glass, your smaller glass. And here's the bigger glass. You can see the difference here in the size of the two glasses. You can see better once it's on there. And you take your tank extension adapter that comes in your spare parts thing, and wrong piece here. with your top, you screw in the tank extension adapter to the top of it. You screw in your tank extension adapter to the top part. Is it not on there right? And you tighten it down, and then you take your bigger glass piece and pop it on there. Make sure it's on there. Then you before I do that, I want to show you how to prime your coil. Here's the Reserve Vaporify Decadence. It's chocolate with hazelnut and cream. And I'm gonna prime my coil with this stuff. And how you prime your coil is you take the e-liquid and squeeze it into this area here and kind of push down on the cotton while you're doing it. You squeeze it in here, and then get you some more e-liquid, and you put some in the holes on the side of the wicking holes on the side of the coil. And put more on the inside. And then you take a napkin or something and wipe off the excess e-liquid off your fingers and off the bottom of the coil, because I kind of got messy with that. And then you take the top of your tank and you screw it on here. And now you have a bigger tank. The smaller tank is 2.5 milliliters and the bigger tank's 3.5 milliliters. And then you take your tank and screw it onto your R80 TC box mod. If I can get it on there. And then you, I still got e-liquid on my fingers. And then you take your box mod, your tank. Let me see here. And you open it up. And you fill your e-liquid up in this hole right here, the side hole. Don't put it in the middle hole, put it in the side hole. And you fill it up with e-liquid. And I gotta see what I'm doing here, so I gotta take it away for a second. Make sure I don't overfill it. You just fill it to the top of the glass part. No higher. And this coal's already been primed, so I don't know if I need to set it. I don't think I have to set it, but I think I am going to let it soak for like 15 minutes. And you turn on your box mod, hit the firing button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it turns on the box mod. And you hit the fire button and it says new coil, and you pick yes, and it says 3 point on the coil, and here's your battery, and your coil's 3.0 and it's on 50 watts. And then you hit the menu button 3 times and go into the first one, and you can switch it between temperature mode and wattage mode. I'm putting in a wattage mode, and it goes all the way from, I'm scrolling down with the down button, all the way from 1 all the way up to 80. And then you go back into the menu 1, 2, 3 and go into the first one and switch it to temperature mode, and you can go all the way from 600 to down to 200. Then it switches to Celsius, and it's, I guess it's, you go down to 100 and scroll all the way up to 315 in Celsius. And then there's other things in the menu, but I don't have time to show you all that. So I'm going to switch it back to wattage mode and put it on 50. And this thing vapes really good. You might want to start out at 30, but I'm up to 50 now. Okay, that's all I have time to show you today. My name's Cheryl Allred, and I hope you enjoyed this video.